Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're looking how to install the Android Instant applications after the support ends, in today's video, we are going to provide you with a guide for that. So let's just dive right in. So for that, what we need to do is we need to install the full app version. So head over to Play Store for that. Open up the Google Play Store app on your Android phone, and you can search for the specific application that you wish to use. So for example, if you wish to use, let's say Duolingo, so you can tap on the application and select the app from the search results and look out for the install button to download and install the complete application. So the thing is, if you're trying to download after the install application support ends, you cannot do it in the traditional sense as the feature relies on Google Play services for instant delivery. So the existing functionality will transition to standard app installation. So your option will be offered only to install the full regular version of the application from the Google Play Store that is available for you. So you can just go and look out for it and tap on the install option. That should give you the full permanent version of the application as the instant experience will be no longer available be through the Google Play services. So you can just go and do so. Apart from that, if you are a developer or have specific needs to run a modular version of the application, you can install the APK version from a reliable non-Google source. Usually it is not reliable, but you can just go and try it out. If the Android instant application support has ended, usually there is no solution for it. You cannot do it. You need to update your whole device to the latest version. So that's it, everybody. We hope this information was helpful to you. If it was, please give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.